You're paginating through a 1,000,000-row table, and page 1 loads instantly. But page 1000? It takes 50 times longer. What's happening? Here's the problem. OFFset doesn't skip rows efficiently. When you query OFFset 10,000 limit 20, the database still scans the first 10,000 rows, counts them, then discards them. Every single row up to your offset is read and thrown away. This makes pagination costs grow linearly with page number. Page 1 reads 20 rows. Page 500 reads 10,000 rows, just to throw away 9,980. It's an O of N operation hiding behind a simple keyword. And it gets worse when you add odd or by. The database must sort the entire result set before applying OFFset. If you're ordering by an unindexed column, every pagination query triggers a full table scan and sort. On large tables, this compounds into serious latency, especially for deep pages. The solution is Keyset Pagination, also called cursor-based pagination. Instead of OFFset, use a here clause with the last value you saw. For example, here ID greater than last seen IDR ID limit 20. This lets the database use an index to jump directly to the next page. No scanning, no discarding. Each query is constant time, whether it's page 1 or page 1000. The cursor is typically the primary key or a unique index column from the last row of the previous page. Other optimizations include covering indexes to avoid table lookups, deferred joins where you subquery just the primary key first, then join for columns, or caching page results. But Keyset Pagination has trade-offs. You can't jump to an arbitrary page number, and it's harder to implement with non-unique sort columns. You need to combine multiple fields or add tiebreakers. For most high-scale systems, though, the performance wins far outweigh the limitations. Remember, OFFset scans and discards, creating linear cost. Keyset Pagination with index cursors is the scalable solution. Master this and you'll ace pagination questions. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.